Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm gonna teach you about why organic compounds are so diverse. Why the magnitude of organic compound is so diverse. What does diversity mean? Modern research says that there are total 10 million organic compounds are discovered so far. 10 million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So you can see that millions of organic compounds are discovered so far. As I already discussed, the compound of carbon and hydrogen are known as organic compound. There are 118 elements in periodic table, but only the compound of carbon are above 90%, and the remaining elements of periodic table make only 10% compound, discovered compound. So why the compound of only one atom are more than 90%? So there are many reasons for the existence of variety of organic compound. So first one reason is catenation. First one reason for the diversity of organic compound is catenation. First we will see what is catenation. Self-linking property of any element. Self-linking property of any element. Self-linking property of any element is known as catenation. Self-linking mean connect with the same element. This property is present in carbon, so that's why compound of carbon are diverse in nature. So why only carbon has this property? There are two main requirements for the catenation. First one requirement is the compound the element must have valency 2 or more than 2. The first requirement for the property of catenation is the element must have valency 2 or greater than 2. So carbon has 4 valency, so due to this reason carbon has ability of catenation. And second requirement for the catenation is bond with other element is weaker than the bond with the same element, with the same atom. Suppose second requirement for catenation is bond with other element is weaker than the bond with the same element. This bond must be stronger than this bond. So this is the second requirement for catenation. So the bond between carbon to carbon is stronger than the bond between carbon and other element. So carbon has both the properties. Carbon has valency greater than 2, and the bond between carbon atom is stronger than the bond between carbon and other elements. So due to this property there are variety of organic compound exist in nature. But here question arises, why only the carbon atom show the property carbon atom show the property of catenation. If you need the answer of this question, then please mention in the comment section, then I will make another video on this topic. And second reason for the diversity of organic compound is isomerism. First we gonna see what is isomerism. The property of compound which has same molecular formula but different structural formula is known as isomerism, and those compounds which show this property are known as isomers. Suppose we have a compound and we can also write this structure. This is N-butane and this structure is isobutane. Both structures have same molecular formula C4H10, but when we write structural formula, then structural formula of both compound is different. So the property of compound which have same molecular formula but different structural formula is known as isomerism. This is another example of isomerism, C2H6O. If we write the structural formula, both of these are separate compound. This is alcohol and this is ether, but both of these compounds have same molecular formula but different structure formula. So due to this property, there are huge number of organic compounds exist in nature. This is the second main property for the existence of large number of organic compounds. And third main reason for the existence of huge variety of organic compound is multiple bonding. Carbon is the only element of the periodic table which has ability to make single bond, double bond and triple bond. Like carbon make single bond in ethane clause, carbon make double bond, and carbon make triple bond. This is ethane, this is methane. This compound is known as ethane and this compound is known as ethine. You can see here carbon make single bond, here carbon make double bond, and in this example carbon make triple bond. Carbon has ability to make carbon to carbon single bond, carbon to carbon double bond and carbon to carbon triple bond. Carbon is the only element which has the property of multiple bonding among themselves and with other element. Carbon can also make double bond with oxygen and carbon can also make triple bond with nitrogen. So due to the property of multiple bonding, there are huge number of organic compound exist in nature. And fourth one reason is strong covalent bond. Strong covalent bond. Organic compound has strong covalent bond as compared to the covalent bond which is exist in inorganic compound. So due to have a strong covalent bond, there are a diversity and huge magnitude of organic compound. So these are the reasons for the diversity of organic compound. I hope you all enjoyed today's lecture. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for all the incoming videos. Inshallah, I will be come back with new topic. Thank you.